Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is another 5 days 1 palette, and this time I'm using the Aphrodite palette from Bad Habit. Just remember that me showing my makeup is a time lapse just because I want you guys to just see like me in my natural element doing my makeup, and I always show you guys how my makeup looks after. So for day 1, I used Koi, Passion in the crease, Euphoria on the lid, the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner and Serum for my eyeliner, and on my lips I used this Tarte Lip Surgence Lip Tint in the shade Grateful, and I've been loving that a lot. For day 2, I used Koi Admire Blushing in the crease and along the lower lash line, Admire and Blushing on the lid, Seduction and Jealousy on the lash line, the ULTA Retractable Eyeliner in Black Brown to use on my waterline and to tightline, and then Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Give Me Mocha. For day 3, I used Koi, Admire, and Romance in the crease and along the lower lash line, Adore on the lid, Seduction and Jealousy on the lash line, the Coastal Scents Express line in 03 to tightline the waterline, and then I used my NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. For day 4, I used Infatuation all over the lid, Passion and Seduction in the crease and along the lower lash line, Heartbreak on the lash line, and then for lips, I used the Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte in Divine Wine. For day 5, I used Blushing all over my lid and in the crease, Seduction and Jealousy on the lash line, and then for my lips, I used the ColourPop Ultra Matte in Clueless. And that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!